With this new integration, BambooHR and RemoFirst work together to support compliant global hiring. BambooHR manages your core HR data, performance, and engagement, whilst RemoFirst lets you hire and manage full-time employees in over 185 countries without setting up local entities. In this video, I'll walk you through how to connect BambooHR to RemoFirst, authenticate your account, sync timesheets, and manage onboarding and offboarding, all from the RemoFirst dashboard. Let's get into it. To get started, click your name in the top right-hand corner and open Company Settings. Next, head to the Integrations tab to view all available third-party integrations. Find BambooHR in the list and select Activate. Then, sign in using your BambooHR credentials and click Login to complete the authentication and connect your account. Activating the Bamboo integration takes 2 steps. First, map your RemoFirst talents to their BambooHR records. Second, choose whether to enable timesheet syncing. When enabled, approved timesheets automatically sync from BambooHR, and you can turn this on or off anytime within the integration screen. Once the integration is active, new onboarding and offboarding requests will appear in the Team section. Click View on the BambooHR banner to review them. Choose Proceed to continue the process in RemoFirst, or discard if you don't want to manage that talent. Most details will already be pre-filled with BambooHR. After onboarding is complete, new talent appears in the Onboarding sub-tab with the BambooHR tag in their profile. Approved timesheets from BambooHR also sync into RemoFirst, where they appear as pending for your final review. And that's it. You've connected BambooHR to RemoFirst, mapped your talent, enabled timesheet syncing, and learned how to review onboarding and offboarding requests, all from within your RemoFirst account. If you need any more guidance, check out our help centre or reach out to the support team. Thank you. Bye.